So hello student, how you all doing? I hope you all do well in this particular chapter. Now I'm going to discuss another question, and this question is show it in your screen. This is the question where A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days, B and C can do it in 24 days, A and C can do it in 36 days. That means the combination of work done by the number of person is given to you. A और B किसी काम को 18 दिन में करते हैं, वहीं B और C उसी काम को 24 दिन में करते हैं, and A and C can do it in 36 days. तो the pair different है, number of days different है. In how many days will A, B and C it together and separately can finish the job? तो ये क्वेश्चन है. तो इस क्वेश्चन को करने से पहले सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि ऐसे क्वेश्चन को जब आपको सॉल्व करना होता है यू ऑलवेज कैलकुलेट वन डेज वर्क. सो व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू द एंटायर वर्क टू व्हिच द नंबर ऑफ पेयर्स completed their work is mentioned in the question. Now you calculate the one day work first and then proceed as per the question given. Now what is given to you? A and B किसी काम को कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करते हैं? Now B and C उसी काम को कितने दिन में? And A and C or C and A complete the work in how many days? Now this is given to you, right? Now this is the total work which A and B can complete it in 18 days. B and C, the combination of B and C can complete the same work in 24 days, where C and A complete the same job in 36 days. Now, what is your concept? My concept is to find out one day work first. So, what is from this particular equation, from equation 1, I am calculating A and B's one day work. So, what is my A and B's one day work? One day work I am calculating here, right? So what is one and B's? A and B's one day work. So my A and B's one day work is equal to 1 by 18. Now what is B and C one day work? This is total day completed given to you. So what is B plus C's one day work? So B plus C's one day work is equal to 1 by 24. 1 by 24 from equation 2. Now what is C and A's one day work? So my C plus A's one day work is how much? 1 by 36. Now you have three equations: A and B's one day work, B and C's one day work, C and A's one day work. Now you need to calculate how much time A, B and C taken together will complete the entire work. So you simply add these three equations. So this is here there are 2A, 2B and 2C. If you add, you will get A and A add 2A, B and B add 2B, C and C add 2C. So you will get 2 comma within bracket A plus B plus C. So you will have A2 multiplied by A plus B plus C one day work. One day work. So what is 2 multiplied by A plus B plus C is one day work. Why I am multiplying here 2? Because you have 2A, 2B and 2C. If you add all these things, you will get like this: A plus B plus B plus C from here plus C plus A from this side, C plus A. If you add, you will have A and A, 2A plus B and B, 2B plus C and C, 2C. So you take 2 common, you will get A2 multiplied by A plus B plus C. The same value, right? Now, what is 2A plus B plus C is one day work. So you need to add all this: 1 by 18 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 36. Now take LCM. Rest is mathematics. So the LCM of all these three quantities how much? 72. So 18 4s are 72. Take 4. 24 3s are, so take 3. 36 2s are, take 2. So you will have 7 3 9 and 2. 4 3 7 plus 2 9 divided by 72. So this is what 2 multiplied by A plus B plus C is one day work. So what is A plus B plus C is one day work? A plus B plus C one day work. So what is A plus B plus C is one day work? You divide this 2 over here. So you just this term 2 divide here, you will get 9 divided by 72 into 2. Why I am putting here 2? Because this 2 in the denominator. Now what is A plus B plus C's 1 day work? So I have 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72, so I have 1 by 16. So this is A plus B plus C is 1 day work. So how many time all will take to complete the entire work? Just reciprocate this value. So my A plus B plus C's complete the entire work, just reverse this value in 16 days. So this is one answer which asked in the question. So in question, two things asked. First, how much time all will take together to complete the entire work? Number one, which already calculated, the answer is 16 days. And the second question comes, independently you need to calculate that if A alone, B alone and C alone can do the same work, how much time independently they will take to complete the entire work. Okay, this is the question. So first you note down this one. This is all about to compare how much time A plus B plus C take to complete the entire work. Now I am going to tell you about how you can calculate A plus B plus C complete the entire work independently. Okay, now look at the board. I have the equation. After adding all these things, you have A plus B plus C's 1 day work, and which is equal to how much? 1 by 16. I already calculated this value, right? Now if I want to calculate A is 1 day work, how you will get? So if I subtract from this minus of B plus C's 1 day work, if I'll subtract this B plus C's 1 day work, I will get what? A work. कैसे? देखिए B plus C's का 1 day work कितना है? 1 by 24. So if I am subtracting what from this to this, what you will get? B and C gone. So you will have A left. So A's 1 day work is how much? A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 16 minus 1 by 24. So this is what? 24. 48 is LCM 3 times and this is 2 times. So you will have 1 by 48. So this is A's 1 day work. तो A का अगर एक दिन का काम मुझे बदल गया है तो कितना टाइम लगेगा कंप्लीट करने में? तो वो है इसका जस्ट रिवर्स. So A complete the entire work in how many days? 48 days. So this is the calculation for A. For A, I am calculating this value, right? Now similarly, how you can calculate the B complete the entire work independently? Now I am going to calculate this. So I have this equation. This is my basic equation, equation number 1. Not equation number A, you put because already I mentioned equation number A here. Okay. Now from this equation, A you have A plus B plus C's 1 day work. So what is A plus B plus C's 1 day work? That is equal to 1 by 16. I know this very well. Now if I want to calculate B value, so you need to take B plus C's 1 day work. What is B plus C's what is A plus C's 1 day work? Because why I am putting A plus C? So that A and A, C and C cut down just after subtracting these two equations. So what is A plus C's 1 day work? A plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 36. So I am putting 1 by 36. Now simply you subtract this value. So A and A gone, C and C gone, you will left only B's. So B's 1 day work is how much? B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 16 minus 1 by 36. So if you solve this value, 1 by 16 minus 1 by 36, what is the LCM of these two quantity? So this is 108. Okay, you calculate this value. 1 by 16 minus 1 by 36. So 16 and 36, what is the LCM? 4 4 is 16, 4 9 is 36, 4 9. So this is 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. So 4 4 is 16, 16 3 is 16, 4 4 is 16 and 3 3 is 9. And 16 9 is how much? 144. So 144 will be my LCM. So 144 is my LCM, and this is 16 9s. So 9 is over here, and this is 36 4s. So I put 4 over here. So what is my value? 5 by 144 days. Now this is B is one day work. So B का एक दिन का काम अगर 5 by 44 है, तो B can take how many days to complete entire work? 144. Just reverse this value. 144 divided by 5 days. So this is the answer of how much time B take to complete the entire work. So you note down this. Now you clear with the concept. Now you move to how much time C take independently to complete the entire work. So how you calculate this value? Now you know the idea. Now if I subtract from this equation number A, to A plus B is one day work. If I am subtracting A plus B is one day work, what will happen? A and A gone, B and B gone, you are left with only C. So this is C is one day work. So what is A plus B is one day work? It is mentioned, it is given to you 1 by 18. So I put over here 1 by 18. Now you simply subtract the equation. So A and A gone, B and B gone, you are left with C's only. So C's one day work is how much? 1 day work is equal to 1 by 16 minus 1 by 18. 1 by 16 minus 1 by 18. So what is the LCM of 1 by 16 and 18? You simply calculate 16, 18. So this is 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are. Now 2 4s are 9. So you can write 4 and 9. So 2 2s are 4. And this is what? 4 9s are 36. So 36 4s are how much? 6. 6 4s are 24, 4 carry 2, and 4 3s are 12, and 2 44. So again we will have 144 is your LCM. So 16 9s are, so I put 9 times, 18 6s are 108, 18 7s are 6, 18 8s are. So 8 times you gone, so you are left with 1 divided by 144 days. Now ये C का एक दिन का काम है. C is complete one day work. Is how many days? 1 by 144. C's one day work is how much? 1 by 144. C can complete one day work is 1 by 44. So how much time C will take to complete entire work? Just reverse this value. So C can complete the entire work in 144 days. So my answer is what? A can complete the entire work, you already calculated. Now B can complete the entire work in 144 by 5 days, and C can complete the entire work in 144 days. The concept is very clear. The concept is what? You first calculate the one day work of each value independently, and then you just reverse that value to find out the entire work completion date. In this question, the pair of completion is given to you. So I simply put what are given to you, and on the basis of this, I calculate one day work each, and then add and find out the value of how much time A, B, C take to complete the entire work. And similarly, we can calculate it with a different approach, find out the individual completion date. So this is a very important question. You need to practice this. If anything is not clear, please comment on the box. I will give you definitely the answer. On the same basis, you can complete the different question also from the book, from the net. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.